Alright guys, I know you're excited to see the next part in the build series, and today I'm going to give it to you. Let's jump right into it. for the finish, but man, did it turn out amazing. I just can't believe how great this thing's gonna look when it's all said and done. You know, in the next video, I plan to finish up the oil, buff it out, polish it, and then go ahead and put on the hardware, which is going to be obviously the most amazing part of this whole thing when we get to see it come together. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the final part in this series. And then of course, all my future content as well. As you guys know, I'll be building a shop sign, doing a little bit of a TruOil finish process and a guide, and then also working on some acoustic panels to help out with my audio quality. So a lot of cool projects in the mix, and then of course some custom guitars coming up as well, but I don't want to give away too much on that. But anyways, I want to say thank you guys so much for your feedback over this whole video series. You know, I'm new to YouTube and I'm trying to learn as much as I can about videography and sound quality and everything that goes into a little bit of a production here. And I gotta tell you, it's actually a lot harder than it looks, and it's way harder than building guitars. So, you know, I probably should have just stuck with guitars, but I just love sharing it so much with you guys. I hope you guys appreciate it, and I hope you notice that, you know, I am making changes based on your feedback. So again, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Go check me out on Facebook and Instagram, and have a great day. Thanks.